Good afternoon and welcome to this short but worthwhile reprieve from whatever is happening in your day. You will move into your own inner silence. Sit tall and alert, yet relaxed. Take 3 deep breaths, slowly and deeply inhaling, and taking your time on your exhales. Letting it all out with a gentle squeeze of your belly towards your spine. Expelling every bit of carbon dioxide and any other toxins that want to leave your body. Making space for even more fresh oxygen. Notice what it feels like to be here in this moment. Perhaps resistance to stopping comes to mind in the way of thoughts about what needs to be done. You can let that go. Or restlessness in your body because you have been in go, go, go mode. You can let go. Light-heartedly let yourself off the hook of your day, your thoughts, your whatever needs doing, and move out of your mind. Do this by gently guiding your closed eyes downwards, and then it is as if you are closing the door on your mind. You realize that these few minutes are precious, and you are using them in a way that nurtures you. Right now there is no place you need to be but here. It is simple. You are here in this moment with me. Breathing, inwardly watching your body expand and contract, and allowing your amazing body to relax. Relaxed shoulders, relaxed jaw, relaxed spine yet upright, soft eyes, and soft face. For the next 5 minutes, be aware of your breathing, your posture, with your closed eyes angled down, and allow yourself to be at one with your own inner silence. Enjoy the silence within you, a place of comfort and retreat from your day. You will hear a chime when I am about to speak again. Ever so gently, in a comforting way, bring your awareness back to your outer world. Give yourself the gift of moving a little bit slower and with more mindfulness for the rest of your afternoon. I hope it's a good one. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.